2014, Microsoft introduced a security update. This update had to do with the way that WDigest credentials are stored in memory. They were removed in order to enhance security, but we can actually go back and still change that registry value to 1 to reverse this. Before WDigest credentials are stored in memory, which is a null value, and after, where the plain text credential is inside. Let's say I have a terminal open on the target. Can I add this registry change myself from here? Turns out access is denied and we can't do it this way. Luckily, there's another option. The next option is to use Remnant, an RDP client installed in Kali Linux. Here I'm going to open up an RDP connection to the target, which is a Windows 10, and I'm going to use WA-KNP, and I'm going to attempt a connection. So now I'm logged in as the user, and I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like to use Mimikatz for this example. There's one caveat here, and this is to demonstrate that when you're using Mimikatz, you have to have the right privilege. You can tell, maybe you can't tell, that I'm using a command terminal that is not being run from administrator level privileges. So be sure to open a new one and run as administrator, and we can run Mimikatz successfully this time. Again, we'll launch Mimikatz and we'll use the privilege debug command to gain the right handle that we need. And now we're going to use the sec URLSA logon passwords command. Now here you can tell that the user's account, the WDigest password, is not in clear text. And this is because of the Windows patch that removed saving WDigest credentials in memory. But we can actually change that back and revert the system to an insecure setting. So earlier when we tried to add the registry change, we got access denied. So now that we're running as an administrator level command terminal, we can make the command work successfully. And this is going to add a registry value to make sure that the WDigest credentials are saved in memory. The next step is to log out and log back in. I'm logging back in as the same user, and I'm reconnecting to my RDP session. And we're going to repeat the steps. We're going to run Mimikatz to dump the logon passwords. This time you will notice a difference in what the output is. Now that we have changed the registry settings to revert the system back to storing WDigest credentials in memory, we should see the plain text, clear text password right before our eyes. So run Mimikatz again using the logon password script. Don't forget to use the privileged debug command first. And now you can see secret 1 is the WDigest password.